welcome to my channel. What I will be attempting to do is reattach some dreads. My daughter had an issue. Um, all her hair came out, so we just getting her back healthy. And what we did was save her dreads. And what I'm gonna do is reattach them back. I'm not gonna use no synthetic dreads. They already been cleaned and prepped. And you'll see me sit here and attempt to reattach those dreads for her. All right. These are her dreads. They're clean. I'm just pulling them out the water from letting them soak a little bit. So I really cleaned them up the last couple of days and got them all nice and fresh and smelling good. And I'm attach them wet because it's her natural hair and I wanted to adhere to the hair real good.
Yeah, it's hurting. Where you pulling it?
Oh, well, I gotta get it.
It keeps on pushing me back in. I have to go back. It pushed me back in. I don't know how it's working for y'all, but it's pushing me back in. And I love the yard, but you know, I ain't gonna go in I know where to go, bro.
Where's
the local control for down here?
Oh, anyway, I think it's upstairs somewhere.
Laser.
Laser said, "Do not bother
Right
her
upstairs real quick and grab that
King upstairs. He don't end up be on.
Grab that Roku remote that you gave me last night. I was on the couch where I was at.
King, get the Roku remote off the couch, baby.
I know they're at caves. I'm not sure if they're at OG caves or just regular caves. They're probably at OG caves. Let's go check OG caves. I don't know what kind of caves. Why are you asking me? I don't know what the caves look like. But I do remember they're in mountain. The entrance to it is like in Oh yeah, Papa. Thank you. No, they literally shouted out a bunch of times that they're not in store. No, they're not in store. Why are you? No, at least, guys, when you're here, just buy a couple items. Just literally buy a couple items. I don't know. I don't care what items you buy. Just buy an item. I tell you that oatmeal and grape seed. I'm here full. My stomach's like it's about to fall down. I can't eat that. That's too much. I don't think I want to take oatmeal. They're not in here.
It's called make the breakfast complete.
They're not They're not in there. Why would they be in there? They're not. This is the worst hiding spot. I swear to God, they are. See, they're not in there. They're in caves. They literally just said they're looking for a cure to cure us. And do we want to be back to normal? No. But there's one more player that's also a zombie. I don't know why he's not helping us. There's one more player that is a zombie, and I don't know why he's not helping us. No! Hold up. Everybody come to me. I'm buying something right now. Right. Okay, let's just go to caves. Go to caves. Where's caves? Where's the entrance to caves? Let's go to caves. Where? Wait, we haven't tried beach yet. Oh yeah, caves is right here. Let's go. Come on, guys. Why are you being so slow? I'm trying to look for. Woo, it's slow. Don't get in the slide. Don't get in the slide. It's just gonna leave you all the way down. Don't get in. Which one? Guys, stop playing. We have to find them. Bro, I fell. I can't believe I fell, bro. Please don't do it. We all fell. Damn it. What's your phone like? Feels like. How can you not get up here, bro? Guys, we have to stop playing. We have to investigate. Okay, guys, we have to stop playing. We have to actually look
Oh, sorry.
We have to go to the actual cave. Not this cave, the other.
Yeah, I'm hanging on the string.
Guys, we have to go to the other cave. We have to stop playing. We have to go to the other cave. And I'm pretty sure the instructions are there. Guys, we have to find all these caves at the bottom. How did I put them in the way, dude? Why aren't you talking? I did you. Bro, all you gotta do once, just leave one hand on it and then reach out. That's all. Once you put your hand on top of it. Yo, how are we supposed to find them, bro? So hard. We don't even know what the caves actually mean. You know what I mean?
Come out some of these. It's real good. You gonna shampoo it? You gonna do what? Shampoo.
They can't be in it. And, look, you see them? See them? Yeah, come on. We found where the caves are. Come over here.
Keep saying what you can do.
Stop.
I leave you leave.
Okay, the caves are over here.
What kind of sound is it? Camera good.
No, it's not. It has always been here. Has been here.
She just got first enough breakfast. She's slow. Oh, that's fine.
That's so cool.
King that worked himself out on the VR. He was running. He's like, oh, my legs tired. Yeah, I think I am ready for lunch. Why is this thing making me so tired? It helps him to work out. Yeah, it's exercise. Mm-hmm. And King really be exercising. He be sweating head to toe. He be working hard in it. What games you got? I don't know, whatever they put on there.
We have to go all the way down.
They done found us some friends and everything.
Huh? Yeah, I'm pink. I'm pink. Yes, I'm pink. Okay, we have to
Oh, yeah, that's how it was when she came in first. Yeah. They got the VR stuff. They got everything. Like, mm-hmm. You came out your head. Yes.
Wait, I got an idea.
So Lee was looking at the here on KYW yesterday.
Okay,
Raised in New York.
there's two ways.
They were saying over 770,000 families are homeless. And like 40,000 of them are living in their cars. Damn. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because folks is priced out. Part of rent and stuff like that. You're not making no money. Your job's not paying nothing. Like everybody going to $15 an hour or more, except for Pennsylvania. They still doing $7.25. But then the rentership stuff is going up. Yes. 3,000, 2,200. Where did I get that money from? Yes. I'm paying $87 now.
I think they put everyone. Push the button. Let's see if they're in here. You know how to do this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm holding on to this just in case.
All right, we decided against putting in the dreads right now, but instead we're going to sponge roll it. You know how you do the palm, double side. So we're going to put some moisture gel on it. I'm going to use some defining gel.
How do you get on the platform? Okay, come over here.
This gel leaves your hands and your hair soft. So we're not using a lot, just enough to give it a coating so that we can
Okay,
do
you get up here. You
the
put on
rules.
this train track. Then it leads you back to start. Like what you did on the walls. No, you have to come like right there. No, right here, right here, so you can just boom, boom, boom. Go on the train. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, come over here on the train track. And you can just go back.
Make sure we call it.
No, I'm at the gate. Come on, something's wrong. You over there, right? Oh, no, to your left. Okay.
Looks like I'm putting a lot, but I'm not because I'm only doing the dime size
Yeah.
on my hand and then rubbing it in.
How? Where did you? Where was you? You were so quiet. We couldn't even find you. Where was you? No, where was you? Where was you? That's the worst spot because we can't move on the ice. Where was you? Where were you? They're trying to ask you a question and you keep on running away. They won't answer our question from right there. Answer our question. Where was you? Eat able to eat him. Just eat him. Just eat him. Oh, he left the game. Okay. Should we just change our colors back? Should we change our colors back? Should we change our colors back? That's why I hate the attacks because every time when we're playing like a zombie apocalypse, everybody's just instantly leaves the game because they're so tired. Well, not you guys. You guys are cool. Okay. You guys are actually fun too. Nah, 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 nah. If you touch it, you have to pretend to get banned, so you can't play this anymore. Yay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm turning back into my color. I hate this color. It's so cringe. Okay. I'm gonna go to red. Option one, 9. Option three, 9. Oops, 0. Okay, I got my color
The
back.
hair where it's a little thickest,
I got my color
just
back.
want to add a little bit more because the shorter hair is definitely rolling
I got
and
my
the
color
thicker
back.
hair is rolling, but we just want it more defined.
Guys, where are you? I got my color back. And you still trying to get it? I'm drawing snowballs at you. How do you do it? Do that thing. Hi, Dad. I think I'm free. I have a really big high spot though. I have a really good high spot. You will never find it. I'm really, really too big. Very good fighter. You're gonna go 5. Okay, there's one on you. Guys, are you feeling it? Alright. Don't start speaking, bro. You literally scared me half to death.
Got a couple pieces of gray hair.
You're gonna cut out?
Mm-hmm.
I got a whole lot of gray.
Yes. You know, gray hairs are unruly. Sometimes it just sits and do its own thing.
Why do you want to know where I am? Why do you want to know where I'm here? I have a dope high spot. I have a really good high spot.
And
I have a really good high
we'll
spot.
shape up. We're just gonna let it come in some more before we put any tension on it.
That's not gonna be until about April.
And just to let you know,
April, I think they start the dreads.
just to let you know, I like
But we're not here. We ain't putting the hair back in. We're gonna restart that ink motion.
I might just leave natural and just go like.
Yeah, them dreads must have been hanging off because that was fast for to take off.
Mm-hmm. They was hanging by string.
Yeah, I see. As soon as I seen that, I was like, yeah.
Mm-hmm. There you have it. Hold on. Oh.